you wonder where's the rest of the flying monkeys from the Wizard of Oz. Well, that's what they do.
Here's what I learned from doing these roasts. You know what you get when you take an open bar, add some celebrities, a fistful of Vicodin, and tell them to grind each other? Usually gonorrhea. But also, some of the most out-of-control roast monkeys. They're crazy and intense, like Amy Winehouse and Gary Busey camping. They're crazy. They're intense.
Gary Busey? How long does it take for a brain injury to heal? Jesus Christ. Apparently, Gary damaged every part of the brain except for one, the asshole lobe.
Ladies are here in the audience tonight. They need to show Flavor of Love because VH1 decided the original title, Black Guy Impregnates 20 Whores, wasn't catchy enough. Did the whores do something? Yes, that'll change the perceptions about you. Let's see, where was I before I was interrupted by those whores?
I'm a nice big mama. I got all those little prostitutes to show too. Yeah. They look like the 3 a.m. shift at the Jacksonville Royal Waffle House.
Your act stands at the vanguard of the deep-fried movement. That's where you live. That's your address.
My God. Andy Dick. What a fruity bastard.
You just got a tip from Jabba the...
Ladies and gentlemen, the first...
Bob, you have a lot of well-wishers here tonight, and a lot of them would like to throw you down one. A well. They want to murder you in a well.
Dan McDonald, God bless you. Watching your set was like watching Henry Fonda pick blueberries.
Okay. Now, wait a minute.
What's that? Oh, what's you say?
I don't think there's a person in here that would not love to watch Henry Fonda pick blueberries.
You guys busted? Oh, I busted you.
10 years of actions.
Sorry.
The good news is, Andy Dick.
Now y'all can't play together because I made a noise.
It's awesome to see some of the names they get to show up at these roasts, but some of them don't have a clue what's about to hit them. I mean, they agree to do this, and then they figure out when it starts. Reminds me of my
Good night. I love you.